Hello students, in last lecture we discussed about aromatic hydrocarbon, its definition, then benzene derivative, types of benzene derivative, nomenclature of benzene derivative and classification of aromatic compounds, classification of homocyclic compound. Today we are going to see monocyclic aromatic compounds. The definition of monocyclic aromatic compound is the cyclic compound containing one ring formed by same atoms, that is carbon atom, and contain conjugated double bond are called monocyclic aromatic compound. Example is benzene. A benzene containing one ring and formed by same atoms, that is carbon atoms, and these all the carbon-carbon double bonds are conjugated to each other. That is, it contains conjugated double bond system within the ring. Therefore, benzene is a monocyclic aromatic compound. The next class of aromatic compound is polycyclic aromatic compound. The definition of this is the cyclic compound that contain more rings formed by same atoms, that is carbon atoms having conjugated double bond within the ring are called polycyclic aromatic compound. Examples are naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene. They are polycyclic aromatic compound because they contain more rings. In naphthalene is bicyclic compound. It contains two rings. Anthracene and phenanthrene are tricyclic compound. They contain three rings. Then this naphthalene, phenanthrene, and anthracene contain conjugated double bonds, and they are formed by the carbon atom. They are ring compound. Therefore, they are polycyclic aromatic compound. Next is the aromatic character and Huckel rule. Benzene and all those compounds which resembles benzene in their chemical properties are known as aromatic compounds. Then characteristics of aromatic compounds. First is they have high degree of unsaturation. They normally do not undergo addition reactions. They undergo large number of substitution reactions like sulfonation, halogenation, nitration, and Friedel-Crafts reaction. Why aromatic compounds do not undergo addition reaction? Because in addition reaction, suppose example, this X2 reagent adds across this carbon-carbon double bond of benzene. It gives this product. Then this product is non-aromatic in nature, or it is not aromatic. And substitution, in case of substitution reaction, the hydrogen atom of this benzene ring is substituted by any electrophile. Then the product obtained is aromatic in nature, and as we know, the aromatic compounds are highly stable compound than any other compound. Therefore, all aromatic compounds generally undergo substitution reaction rather than addition reaction. Then next is the aromatic character and Huckel rule. The statement for Huckel rule is the rule states that any fully conjugated planar cyclic system which contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons are called aromatic and possesses all the characteristics then of aromatic compounds which are mentioned above, and n is the any whole number like 0, 1, 2 and 3. When the number of pi bond is 1, then the n value is 0. When number of pi bonds is 3, then n value is 1, 5, 2, 7. When 7 number of pi bonds are 7, then the n value is 3. When number of pi bond is 9, then the n value is 4. When number of pi bonds is 11, the n value is 5. Then first example is the benzene. Benzene contain 3 pi bonds, therefore n value is 1. Then 4 into 4n plus 2 pi electron, that is n value is 1 because there are total 3 pi bonds. 4 into 1 plus 2 pi electron is equal to 6 pi electrons. Total 6 pi electron in benzene ring. 2 pi electrons in this bond, pi bond, then 2 plus 2, 6. Therefore, total number of pi electrons are 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. It is cyclic, planar, conjugated, and it also contains 4n plus 2 pi electron. Therefore, benzene is aromatic in nature. The next example is naphthalene and anthracene. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 pi bonds in naphthalene, therefore n value is 2. Therefore 4n plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10 pi electrons. That is, naphthalene contains 10 pi electrons. Total 6 plus this 4, 10 pi electrons. It is cyclic, planar, and conjugated. Therefore naphthalene is also aromatic compound. Then in case of anthracene, the total pi bonds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 pi bonds. Therefore n value is 3. Therefore 4n plus 2 pi electrons becomes 14 pi electrons. 6 plus this 4, 10 and plus 4, 14 pi electron. Now anthracene is cyclic, planar, conjugated, and it also contains 4n plus 2 pi electron. Therefore anthracene is also aromatic compound. Then next is the reactions of benzene. Benzene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction because benzene is planar molecule and it contains pi electrons circulating above and below the plane. And due to presence of this pi electron cloud, benzene acts as an electron rich species, that is, it acts as a nucleophilic in nature. It is nucleophilic in nature, and hence it can easily attack on electron deficient species, that is electrophile, undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Then one example, benzene react with electrophile in presence of Lewis acid. The hydrogen atom is substituted by electrophile and we get substituted benzene as a product. Therefore it is electrophilic substitution reaction, and in this, because hydrogen atom of benzene is substituted by electrophile, therefore electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. In this case, this benzene ring or aromatic compound acts as a electron rich species. They easily attack on electrophile, that is, they are nucleophilic in nature due to presence of this pi electron cloud. Then next is the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. First, the addition of electrophile making the Ce bond, that is carbon and electrophile bond. This step is slow step, and in this step the pi electron cloud of benzene ring is attack on electrophile, and there is the formation of sigma complex. There is bond formation between carbon and electrophile, and there is generation of positive charge on adjacent carbon atom. Then this positive charge is, or the sigma complex, is stabilized by resonance. Total 3 resonating structures for the sigma complex. Then next step is the aromatization step, that is proton transfer, restoring aromaticity. This any negatively charged species or base attack on this hydrogen and it removes as H plus, and there is double bond formation between this carbon and that is aromatic compound formation. And this hydrogen atom is substituted by electrophile. This is the mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Benzene acts as electron rich species, attack on electrophile. Then there is formation of sigma complex, stabilization of this sigma complex by resonance. Then last step is the aromatization step, and this step is the fast step and we get substituted product. Therefore, electrophilic aromatic substitution involves 2 steps. One is slow step and second one is fast step. Next is the nitration of benzene. This nitration is electrophilic substitution reaction in which the hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by nitro group and giving nitrobenzene as a product. When benzene is treated with mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, then there is the formation of nitrobenzene. It requires temperature about 30 degrees Celsius and it gives nitrobenzene as a chief product. This reaction is aromatic electrophilic substitution because hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by nitro group. In this case, the electrophile is nitronium NO2 plus. For nitrogen, nitration is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Then next is the sulfonation of benzene. Sulfonation means it is also electrophilic substitution reaction in which the hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by sulfonic acid group, that is SO3H group, giving benzene sulfonic acid. And for this, when benzene is treated with concentrated H2SO4 or oleum, oleum means concentrated H2SO4 or sulfur trioxide mixture, we get benzene sulfonic acid. It is also electrophilic substitution reaction because in this case the electrophile is sulfonium trioxide and it is reversible reaction. It is sulfonation is electrophilic substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom of benzene is substituted by sulfonic acid group and we get product benzene sulfonic acid. Then halogenation, it is also electrophilic substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom of benzene is substituted by halogen atoms like chlorine, bromine or iodine. Chlorination and bromination reactions are more common. Then when benzene is treated with chlorine or bromine in presence of Lewis acid required for this reaction, they act as a catalyst for this reaction or main role of this catalyst is to generate electrophile. Then these Lewis acid catalysts are aluminum chloride, aluminum bromide, FeCl3. Then boron trifluoride, we get the formation of chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. And in absence of catalyst, the reaction does not takes place because this catalyst required for the generation of electrophile. First case, chlorination of benzene in presence of FeCl3. Benzene, this FeCl3 helps to generate electrophile, that is Cl plus ion. Then this Cl plus attack on this benzene ring and this hydrogen atom is substituted by chlorine. Therefore, product is chlorobenzene. Then bromination in presence of FeBr3 as a Lewis acid catalyst. Hydrogen atom of this benzene ring is substituted by bromine and product is bromobenzene. It is electrophilic substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom is substituted by the halogen atoms and it required catalyst, Lewis acid as a catalyst. Then next is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation reaction. In this reaction, alkyl group is introduced on the benzene ring by replacing one hydrogen atom of benzene. This reaction can be carried out using different reagent. First is the using alkyl halide. Friedel-Crafts alkylation is alkyl group is substituted or introduced on the benzene ring. That is hydrogen atom of benzene ring is substituted by alkyl group, any alkyl group. And this reaction is carried out by using different reagent. First reagent is the using alkyl halide. When benzene is treated with methyl chloride or any alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid catalyst like AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, gives alkyl benzene. Reaction of benzene with this methyl chloride and Lewis acid as a catalyst, we get methyl benzene or common name of this is toluene. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Then this Lewis acid helps to generate the electrophile, that is carbocation in this case. And this first Friedel-Crafts alkylation by using alkyl halide as a reagent and presence of Lewis acid catalyst. HCl is a byproduct